Rolling on in, guys, with more scrap. Looks like a bunch of scrap in here. Oh my, let's get this cleaned out, guys. Now, some guys, I was just talking about this, finding one of these. If I could get this to come off of here, just whacking it. Perfect, perfect. Huh. Getting it off. There we go, guys. We got us a nice picking stick. We got this busted down Samsung. Maybe it's just a monitor, guys. It looks like a TV. Oh, man. We got this Hisense TV. We got some springs and struts. We got a freaking cast iron pipe. We got fans. We got this thing, iron. All kinds of stuff, guys. We're gonna go through this all. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna get any heavy stuff, any metal stuff out of here into my metal stash bin. And then whatever else needs to be taken apart, we're gonna take that apart. Okay, guys, so it looks a little different now. A lot of stuff I got out of here. There's another can. We'll put that down. There it goes. Took the back plate off this iron, and it seems to be like a lot of wire and stuff I got to take apart here. So I'm going to continue taking this thing apart. Now we'll come back. So there you have it, guys. Everything else is a waste. There's a little bit of copper from the iron. I'm going to hold on to this. It's actually solid right through, guys. Stainless steel. That's my magnet right here, guys. So this is stainless. Might even say stainless on the bottom. Made in China. Do not microwave. Dishware, whatever. It doesn't really say what it is, guys, but it's gotta be stainless steel. So I'll go down there. Oh, actually, I gotta go. I think I have another piece of stainless. I'm gonna put that with. Okay, guys, we got this fan. Not sure what this is here, so I kind of want to see if I could. Oh man, break that off or something. Oh, I don't want to come off. Not really sure what this is, guys. Is there copper in there? I just don't know. Oh, it fell through. Oh, oh shoot, the whole thing came out, guys. Whee. So we got some copper wire here for sure. I'm not sure what all this is. Maybe that's copper too. We'll take a look at that later. For now, man, I don't know how to get this freaking thing out of here. I wonder if the thing runs. Oh, it turns. Turns okay. Thing is, I would have to hook this fan. I'd have to plug this back in. Plug that sucker back in. And disconnect this. And see if we can run it. I don't know. Okay, guys, this will just go in shred. There's metal pieces inside. There's a plug there. So it's got some kind of electrical wires in the back there. We got this wire here. Now just go with shred. I still got to figure out how to get this sucker out of that casing. I'm going to work on that another day. kind of metal bottom, must be old. There we go, guys. So we got some shred there too, some metal. That's cool. Wow, yeah. Okay, guys, open up that. Oh, we got some little speakers in here. Hopefully these are good. This is pretty cool. I might try to do something with these speakers, guys. That's really cool, little tiny things like that. I could use these in my computer, you know. Possibly, anyway. Alright. Yeah, these are pretty cool, guys. I'm going to try to wire these into my speakers on my computer inside. That's really neat. I like these. I had the idea of me going to get these TVs. Thank you. Those are really cool speakers. That's really cool. Little piece of metal here, guys. A little piece of metal. There we go, some metal. Got some metal here too. That's nice. See what else we could get out of here, guys. A little gold, maybe. That would be nice. I don't know what this is. Kind of weird. Okay. Guess we get these boards. Take these boards off of here. I mean, it's so cold, guys. I'm freezing out here. Freezing. You know, but I'm able to do it. So, I'm not sure if we got gold here or not. I'm just going to cut these probably non-copper wires. Might have some gold pins right here, guys. I'm not sure. It's a bit rusty. It looks like maybe we'll have some. We just don't know. I'm gonna put these on the side for now, okay? I'll put them right there. Go ahead and get this one. We'll just do this one live. There's got to be one more hiding, guys. One more screw. There it is. Probably these two. Okay. Gotta do with my screwdriver. I tell you, I lose everything. I lose everything. Okay, we got some more wires here to cut. Oh, watch. I gotta watch that capacitor. Copper around those. Oh, looks like some copper up in here too. Up in this chip. So not too much copper, guys. A little copper right there, if you guys can see that. A couple of pieces of aluminum, not too bad. We'll process that another day. I don't see any gold whatsoever. I'm wondering what kind of lights this has. You know, as far as, you know, what's lighting the lights. What's making the lights go on to light this TV. So it's a learning experience for me as well. Is it tube lights like the last TV? These might be aluminum screws, I don't know. already. It's just crazy, you know, it's just crazy. That's boom. A little bit of scrap metal. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, I guess whatever was lighting this, guys. Oh, that's glass. That's glass, guys. That was a glass front. Can you believe that? Is that glass? Sure looks like it. It sure looks like it. It doesn't, no, that might, yeah, that's glass. Wow, it sure looks like it. Oh yeah, that's glass, guys. I guess we're never gonna find out. It looked like it had the little tubes in here. Looks like a little bit of glass. That could have been tube. A tube design like everything else. Okay, guys, so we got our board. Yeah, you know, it might be something on here. I don't know. We got some of that tape stuff. I'm gonna do a video on that. Looks like a little bit of gold on the back there. And there, it's very old, very rusted, you know. So we gotta see, guys, what we got here. Looks like some gold right down in there. See that? So there's some gold on this board. That right there came off of this, the back of this TV, when I took it all apart. And these wires, where are these wires going, guys? That's kind of weird. Where are these going? Some plastics. There they go. There we go, guys. A little more scrap metal. A little more scrap metal. Okay. A lot of plastic. Scrap metal. Some more scrap metal. This whole thing is just going to be scrap metal, guys. So what do we got here? What do we got here, guys? Some kind of a board here, switchboard. Okay, so basically your on-off buttons, control buttons. Okay, got an LED, some wire. Just throw that there for now. I gotta go get warm, guys. I'm gonna just sink this right down in the trash. Got little bits and pieces of garbage, some metal, a little bit of metal, some screws, and a little more metal. I don't hold on to screws, guys, because it takes forever to add up, you know. Some more plastics and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do, guys, get warm. You still watching? You still watching me? Oh, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks for the views. Thanks for the watches. Thanks for the likes. Thank you. See you on the next one.